Life is a mystery. Everyone must stand alone. I hear you call my name, and it feels like
And that is how babies are made. Not really. Wiki wiki wah. I'm Zakk. This is Home Degore. I get it. You probably have a lot of concerned questions. To tell you the truth, I'm not exactly sure I can explain it myself. Yes, I used a lot of editing trickery here and there on that weird video you just saw, but here's a single shot walkthrough so you know the room is very real. I didn't want my hidden room to lead to an extension of my home. I wanted it to go somewhere you'd never expect to see in suburbia. Passion for heavy music and occultism kind of go hand in hand. If you throw in some horror movies, you've got yourself a pretty stiff cocktail of how fucked up is fucked up. Like it or hate it, I stayed true to what I set out to do, and that's be original. When people ask, what do you use the room for? That's the best part, because I have absolutely no purpose for it in my household. I didn't have a plan on how to use it. It was just to build it. The next owner of this house can do whatever they want with it. Maybe I won't even tell them about it. I cannot thank everyone enough for their support. For those of you that personally reached out to me to let me know that you're just as excited as I am about this, that really meant a lot. In the third video, I'll show you how I did it all. Like I said before, all I ask is that if you dig it, you share it. Keep bumping those Sumerian jams, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.